Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how to make vegan ground beef using TVP, Textured Vegetable Protein. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. To a pot on medium heat, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 cups of TVP, Textured Vegetable Protein. The link for how I made TVP from scratch will be found in the description box. One teaspoon of dried cilantro, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 cups of water, bring to a boil, cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until liquid is evaporated. I forgot to add the cumin earlier, so I added 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. And there you have it, vegan ground beef for tacos. See you guys next time.